Hey, what's up guys? We're at Ace Cafe tonight, and there's a first ever Orlando Drift meet. Turned out pretty well, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys what's going on. All right, we're here at Ace, and yeah, we got a drift meet going on, Orlando Drift, and this is the first ever meet they've held, and I would say it came out pretty well. Got an LS6 in there out of a CTSV, pretty sick. It's not only drift cars that are here, but you know, that's the main stage. Some other guys came through as well. There's Smokey Drift, follow him on Instagram. Might be going drifting with him in a couple weeks. He's gonna give me a ride along. First ever time on a drift track, by the way. I'm excited. It's Camaro. These look aggressive. In a sick angle, dude. Sick drift car, bro. Hell yeah. You all? This thing is badass. Drift Miata. It's pretty gnarly too. There's a whole bunch of nice drift cars here, man. I'll do a quick walk around and then I'll show you some of my favorite cars here. Look at this thing. Ooh, hell yeah. This is clean too. Holy shit. Look at these fat tires in the rear. Damn. That thing is clean. Uh-oh. Bro. Uh-oh. This thing is wild. Uh-oh. Dude, I gotta shine a flashlight. Too fucking dark in here. Look at this. Out of friend. What were you saying, dude?
It's a D1X push right here.
Yeah? So back here, nothing crazy, just some regular cars. All the guys that are either inside eating or just wanted to show up to the meet and don't have an actual drift car. There's a, what is that, a Camaro back here, V6 Camaro. And then there's, ready? Little old me right there. Look at that cute ass Civic. Ooh! That's all me. We have this nice Miata over here. I think it's an NB. 370Z. What is that? That's pretty cool. Little G35 back here, sitting all by himself. IS300. Dude, look at this. It's just drift tracks or drift marks everywhere, dude. Clean Teggy. Is that a Tomei dog? There's some regular cars back here. That's actually pretty clean. I like that. Nice bagged Audi. I think a chick owns this. Here we are. And C30 over here. Volvo C30. A couple of Subis. Pretty clean too. And we'll check out the drift stuff up here in front. So, got the sick drift car RSX. Psych. I think this is an LS6 though. LS6 swapped. I think it's out of a CTSV. Yeah, you guys aren't really going to be able to see it well, but hang on, let me turn my flashlight. This thing is sick. It's badass. Got a BMW. This is probably swapped because he's got, yeah, it's a drift car. He's gutted. Big tires in the rear, stretched. Racing seat with a harness and nothing else. Fire extinguisher on the bottom. You know what's up. Got a couple of drift cars all parked up in the front. Sick U-Haul, bro. Look at that angle. Woo. But yeah, here we are.
They were actually raining and they were hard.
Dude, this is badass.
No.
He's got the driving gloves in here. This is so badass. It's got like racing floor mats. You can't really see them, but checkered racing floor mats. Sick seat in there too. Dude, this is so cool. And Juka Racing. Hell yeah, bro. This thing is so nice. I love it. This is pretty sick too. Uh-oh. Got the police. Yeah, this is some Tokyo Drift stuff right now. Look at this. Hell yeah. Love the underglow. Bro, look at these little kids, man. This is what it's all about, bro. This is the next generation. They know what these cars are, and they're going to be hopping into some soon, so always got to keep them inspired, keep them going, keep them on the right path, show them what's up, show them the good side of life. Oh yeah. There's Smokey Drift doing his thing. Digging the halos, digging the halos. Nice 300, yo. Bro, what? An older dude in a 370Z, no wonder it's so clean. Senna F1. What? Oh my god, it's an automatic Z. That would explain it.
If you want pictures of interior, let me turn on the remote.
She went and turned on the lights for me, man. This helps a lot. Look at this. This is sick, dude. Boosted Miata. This makes, look at the boost gauge. It's like OEM style. So, bro, this is so cool. I love this shit. Look at this, man. There's like hentai anime all over the car. I love this. Waifu on board. I love this shit, man. It's the girl's car that just turned on the lights on the right over there, and her boyfriend. They both built and drive and drift this car. This is badass. Dude, I want to boost a Miata, man. If you guys know me, you know I love pretty much all cars that are fun, so I'm going to probably go for a, I think it's gutted too. I'm going to probably go for an NB Miata and go for boost. Check it out though. Look at that, 300 wheel. Ooh. Yeah, big turbo, dude. Look at the angling on this. Holy shit. This is sick. Hell yeah, dude. I'm digging the luxury passenger seat here. Red brides. Gutted. Oh, it's got all the switches in there. That's dope. Dude, look at this paint. This is probably a wrap, but this is sick. built from stock. That's badass, man. Love this thing. This is probably one of my more favorite cars here. Check this out. This is an underglow guy. Tokyo Drift, baby. Hell yeah, man. I'm digging these purple lights. Oh, it's an LED bar. LED strip. Hell yeah. 135. I love those things. I gotta get one on the channel. It's pretty clean. Dude, this is sick. On the street. Sparkle wheel. Hell yeah. This is a nice little van. I like this thing. What are these, like 14s? So tiny. I love these things. I love K cars. Bro, what? I've never seen an exhaust like this.
They're both S195.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. The injectors are right there. Pop them bitches off.
Here we go. Smokey Drift. This guy on the side of his car. It's dope.
So we did the cherry plus. I got a hatch, I got a coupe, then you got all the hatches.
This is mine.
Oh yeah, he's got a silver. Oh no, the silver one that you saw.
Yeah,
That's
it's
the
in
silver
the-
one. That's
yeah.
it. Okay, I'm gonna fucking bumper.
No, we wanted to
drooling
part
over
it out.
mine.
Bro, it's bone stock, dude.
Your bumper is mine.
That's fine. It's
So
something
basically,
different. It's a fun build.
I've seen his comments all over YouTube for the last like year. Photo is so vibrant, right?
Wait, I gotta
It's
film
like a
this.
RPM. I can't even. Alright, so I see his comments everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, I am sick of this dude's comments. I'm gonna comment underneath it. So I leave a comment, and I'm like, I see you everywhere. And I make it my goal. Every time I see his comments, put hashtag spot. Every time. And then you found my Instagram? Or I found
Yeah, I found your
He
Instagram.
found my Instagram. He's like, you're in Florida? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, you're in
I saw
Florida?
Daytona. I was like,
Yeah.
oh shit.
And then I saw you review cars that I know. It's people that I know. And I'm like, the fuck, I'm in Florida too. And just from there, it was like, what is that? Yeah, but from there, I told him I'm going to Ace. He's like, I'm coming to Ace. We got to meet. I'm like, all right, done.
Look at this. Father, son. Drift Nation, bro. This has been such a good turnout. That thing is so loud. The clutch seems really aggressive. This guy drifts too, Zach. It's good meeting you guys, man. I'll catch you guys on the 7th. This guy just did a whole fucking burnout, and I missed it. The Camaro he did donuts, man. I missed it. It smells like straight tire. Oh, I love the sound of JDM motors in the morning. That shit sounds so good. Nice chaser right here. Dude, Japanese cars sound fucking awesome. Ah, man, I need a 2J in my life. There goes the A86. Ooh, that thing is clean. That sounds good. Dude. That sounds good, dude.
That kind of shit that confuses my brain. Like, I'm looking at it, and I shouldn't be hearing that.
I know, right? Stock Miata. Holy that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy and you want to see more car meet stuff like this, let me know down below in the comments, because I really enjoy filming this, and I go to so many car meets, I might as well. I usually do end up filming them but not putting them up, but I think that's gonna end here. I think I'm just gonna start uploading them. So let me know if you guys want to see some more. I gotta go do shit. It's late, it's like 10:30, and yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'll check you guys in the next video. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram and get more behind the scenes stuff, it's going to be down below in the description, and I'll put it right here somewhere. It's MaxSpeedMike. Again, I appreciate everybody that's subscribed and been watching lately. The channel's been growing at a slow but steady rate, and I really appreciate everybody. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. Don't forget to keep living life at max speed.
It's not the same car as you.
That's why I said I want your bumper. My bumper is fucked.
Not for sale, my guy.
I want your hood. I want your bumper. Straight up.
We can make a deal right now.
Dude, I'll show you the car later, man. It's like
I'd like to see it.
97,000 miles, like all stock.
Is it 5-speed?
Yeah.
What?
I wouldn't buy an auto, dude.